Yeah, so guys, today we are going to learn how to install ChatGPT on our desktop like this I have here. So first of all, we are going to open any web browser, then type ChatGPT, this website chat.openai.com as simply as it can. Okay, let wait for the opening of the website. Okay, as soon as the website open, uh, you just have to click on here on three dots, then go to apps here and click on install this as an app. So as you're gonna click like it will prompting you to type in a name, ChatGPT or anything you can call it on your desktop. So we are just letting it ChatGPT, then click on install. As soon as we click on install, it will prompting us to pin on taskbar like this, or pin to start means whenever you just turn on your Windows, it will show you automatically. ChatGPT will open. Create a desktop shortcut, and shortcut will appear on your desktop home screen. So it's uncheck it and check it because I have this thing. I don't want to install it again. So guys, this is how you can install this ChatGPT on your Windows. Hope this video helped you. If helped, then to like, subscribe my channel to just grow together.